Department of Information Technology, Government of Manipur organized a one-day state-level workshop at Civil Secretariat in Manipuri. The event, held in collaboration with Microsoft India, focused on digital governance, AI, cybersecurity and skill development. The inaugural ceremony was attended by Chief Minister Khemchand, Microsoft India CTO Khemchand Asthana, Additional Chief Secretary Vivek Kumar Dewangan and IT Secretary Sumojit Salam. District Deputy Commissioners, Department Directors, Senior Officers and IT Industry Executives were also present. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister Khemchand stated that digital tools will significantly strengthen day-to-day administrative operations. He noted that the initiative will unlock fresh employment opportunities for educated local youth. Furthermore, he emphasized that technology integration will spur innovative ideas across agriculture, healthcare, education, tourism and digital services while boosting entrepreneurship. He called on government departments, academic institutions, public bodies and startups to partner with corporate giants like Microsoft to shape Manipur's digital future. Microsoft India CTO Khemchand Asthana highlighted Manipur's growing role as a tech leader, noting that its strong digital infrastructure serves as a model for other Indian states. He explained that Microsoft is working alongside central and state authorities to deploy AI and cloud solutions for faster, more effective governance. Stating that the state has successfully overcome its initial setup hurdles, he affirmed that Manipur is now ready to build concrete AI roadmaps to transform public service delivery.
As we accelerated our digital transformation, we remain equally committed to protecting the privacy and the security of our citizens. I believe that this workshop will bring together government departments, academic institutions, public sector organizations, startup, industry leaders, and Microsoft to jointly develop a practical roadmap of Manipur's digital future. Let's work together to build a digital Manipur that is innovative, resilient and inclusive, ensuring that the benefit of the technology reaches to every citizen of Manipur.